miles. Jellyfish. Toads. So cool. So nice beaches. Here we are. Nice quiet park up. I'm the only one. There's a few vans sort of not far, not much further down, but it's pretty much just me. There's not too many cars either, so it's pretty good. It's like fourth day here now. It's probably the best one I've got alone. All the others are loads of people, so busy. Crazy. This one's a proper one. This is on the Isle of Skye. Not too bad at all. So quiet as well, it's like nothing around. See, this is my view today. Incredible. That's the van. Getting a bit sandy, but I'll do a full tour another time, but this is the basics. Fridge, 2 jackeries in there, portable power station things, toilet, food, and water in here. There you go, let's give it got a sink in here. Full size, you know, decent. There's water. Bad. Proper tour another time, proper video for it, but I'll see it for other videos anyway. Amazing view. Time for some dinner. So, cooked something yesterday. I'm just going to warm up. Some curry. Got these little containers. I cooked this yesterday. This is like a tomato soup curry. Like super easy to make. There's my fridge. 25 litres I've got. I've got a bit left. I've got some beef in here at the bottom. He's using it though tomorrow, really. Bacon, Yeah, I'm a bit low on supplies actually, I do need to restock. Chicken, that's unopened yet, so that should be alright. Make sure I get this out because I need to wash that later. So I already cooked this yesterday, so all I've got to do is warm it up in the pan. Simple, tasty meal. So for my cooking, I've got this little follow that table. You can see this is actually a recent addition. Now I didn't originally have this, but I thought this would be so much better to cook on if I had a little table here. So my cooker, I keep it like in this cupboard. Yeah. I'm gonna slide it out, and then on there, and then in this box underneath, I've got all my cans. I've got a load more spare in the back as well. I just thought it'd be the best place to put it, so when you get your cooker out, you've got everything you need underneath it. Right, so it's just one of those basic, what do you call it, cookers where you put the can in and click it to. Simple. Oh. And just to so it doesn't stick. You just want to warm it up just enough to warm it up. Make sure there's no bacteria. You don't want it too high though, just sort of low. It should warm up nicely. Right, it's all warmed up nicely. It takes about 5 minutes, you just want to get it to boiling point and then stop. Same thing, tomato soup or whatever. And just let it cool down a bit and I'll eat it from the pan. Save me washing up loads of stuff. Little sheep outside, little lamb. Probably hungry. Is he going? He's gone. You're back. Right, myself Fanta here, root twist. Yeah, not bad. Should cool down enough. Not bad. Right, so I've finished. Now you got the best bit, tidying up. Cleaning up, washing up, whatever you call it. Now, you can see you don't want to put that down in your campervan sink because it will absolutely stink it out. So what I do, I just get a kitchen roll and I just wipe it down first. You want to get most of it out first. It's a quick tip for anyone who's not already doing this. You see, that's the majority of it. Yeah, you're not going to get every single bit, but as long as you've got most of it, that's what I like to do. Also, and then I've got this little bin. You can see this little caddy type bin. What do you call it? Perfect just for small bits like that. I'll keep it open. I just emptied it today, so it's the first thing going back in. So, and then I'll do the same with this one. Right, so washing up, I've just got these bits to wash up. So what I do is let's have a look, smooth these. Firstly, it's got this little mat, washing up mat. Right, so I've got this mat here. It's like a little silicone mat, and it just captures all the water, so you don't have to like put it on a tea towel and whatnot. You can just flip it into your sink. Because originally I'd just put them on tea towels, and it's just a pain to dry these out. It's not ideal, but this is just so good. Absolute lifesaver, that. Alright, so this thing's a bit dirty actually. I've got these little lights, all these lights, each one touch on and off. I think it's much better because then you can sort of alternate the light. You're not using all your full power all at once. You can just, oh, I just want these two on or whatever, or I want this one on, or just one. Perfect. I've got 6 of them. I've got one there, one right above me, one there, and obviously 3 across. And I've still got this stupid original light you get. I should have just left it covered up. Okay, so all washed up. So what I do, I just leave it on there for an hour or so just to drain away, and then swipe it down, dry it. A little bin, I've actually got a really good place to put it. Is under the passenger seat, there's a little like sort of footwell area. Just slide that on there. Like that. So let's see the seams. I've got like the shoes under here. And the same under that seat as well. So it's perfect size to fit under there. And also if there's any smells, it keeps it away from where I'm sleeping. Which is good. Wow. Oof. Right. Just got ready for bed, so it's still daylight though. Sunset's not till like 10:15 here. It's crazy late. I mean, luckily we've got some mountains here, so the sun's gone down and, well, sort of. It's still really light. Lots of sheep as well. And there's other vans as well parked down there. Even there's some birds there as well. Even they don't sleep. That's the thing, it's hard to get to sleep when the sunrise is like, or sunset is like 10 o'clock. It's just so, you just don't feel tired till like, later on. Luckily, these blinds do block out a lot of the light. But these things are really good, these covers completely block out the light. They also provide a little bit of insulation as well. Yeah, and I've got the same over there as well. VanX curtains are called. Pretty good. See, it covers like almost all the gaps. Yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep now. And, see you guys in the morning.